This section was not on landscape fabric, and the weeds overtook the plants, so this plot did not do as well as expected. There's a lot of plants that were choked out. Some, for the most part, look healthy. They're a little short, and this is August 17th, so I'm not sure if these are gonna fruit before the first frost sometime in October, November. But well, there's a lot that just didn't make it. So lesson learned, these plants, at least in my zone 8B, cannot compete with the weeds. Not at all. Well, let me take that back, because these 2 rows, and some of them did very, very well, but others did not. Got to work on figuring out why that is.